Namaskar. In order to keep your skin in good condition, using face mask or cleanser is very much required. Some face masks clean the skin and help to bring out impurities and toxins from the skin. Today, I am going to speak about a powerful detoxifying face mask, which is very easy to make at home. This face mask involves using activated charcoal as a main ingredient. Let's see what is activated charcoal, the benefits of charcoal face detoxification, and a recipe to use this technique to take care of your skin. So, what is activated charcoal? Activated charcoal is a fine black powder that is made by heating carbon-rich material like wood, coconut shells, or bamboo to an extremely high temperature. This process creates billions of tiny pores on the surface of the charcoal, which increases its surface area and makes it highly absorbent. Now let's find out how to use activated charcoal face mask in your skincare routine. To make a charcoal face mask, you will need 1 teaspoon multani mitti, 3 teaspoon water. Mix water and multani mitti in a bowl. 1 teaspoon activated charcoal powder, half teaspoon raw honey. Then combine all these ingredients to form a paste. Remember to do a patch test to check for allergy or reactions before you use it on your entire face. Apply a thin layer of this mask over your face, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. And then rinse it off with warm water. Now let's see the benefits of charcoal face detoxification. This technique can give you several benefits for your skin, including unclogging pores, improving skin texture, balancing oily skin, and brightening your complexion. Activated charcoal is highly absorbent, which allows it to pull impurities, toxins, and excess oil from your pores. This can help to unclog pores and reduce the appearance of blackheads, whiteheads, and acne. Charcoal face mask can also help to exfoliate dead cells. This can leave your skin looking radiant and glowing. If you are looking for a homemade technique to detoxify your face, try using activated charcoal this way. It is a good way to unclog pores, improve skin texture, balance oily skin, and brighten your complexion. Namaskar.